Welcome back, Quizzers! In this video, you'll learn 30 English idioms, its meaning, and how to use it in a sentence. Ready to test your knowledge and see if you can master all 30? Let's get started. Think fast. Can you guess this one? The answer is a blessing in disguise. It means a misfortune that actually results in something good. Ready for the next challenge? The answer is a dime a dozen. It refers to something very common and of low value. What's your answer to this one? The answer is beat around the bush. This means to avoid discussing what is important or not speaking directly about the issue. The answer is better late than never. This implies that it's better to do something late than not do it at all. Any guesses? Bite the bullet. It means to endure a painful or unpleasant situation that is unavoidable. Here comes another one. Break the ice. This means to do or say something to relieve tension. What do you think of this one? The answer is call it a day. It means to stop working on something, either temporarily or to conclude it for the day. Think fast. Can you guess this one? The answer is cut somebody some slack. This means to not judge someone too harshly or to give them some leeway. What's your answer to this one? The answer is cutting corners. It means to do something in the easiest, quickest, or cheapest way. Ready for the next challenge? The answer is easy does it. It encourages someone to approach a task carefully and slowly. Any guesses? The answer is far cry from. It means something is very different from something else. What do you think of this one? The answer is get out of hand. It means to become difficult to control. Here comes another one. Get something out of your system. It means to do something so that you no longer have to worry about it or feel strongly about it. Ready for the next challenge? give someone the benefit of the doubt. This means to decide that you will believe someone, even though you are not sure that what the person is saying is true. Think fast. Can you guess this one? The answer is go back to the drawing board. It means to start over again from the beginning because the first attempt failed. Think fast. Can you guess this one? The answer is hang in there. It encourages someone to persevere or keep going despite difficulties. Ready for the next challenge? The answer is hit the sack. It means to go to bed. What's your answer to this one? The answer is, it's not rocket science. It means something is not very complicated or difficult to understand. Take a guess. Do you know the answer? Let someone off the hook. It means to allow someone to escape from a difficult situation or to not hold someone responsible. Any guesses? The answer is make a long story short. It means to tell something briefly, skipping details. Here comes another one. The answer is miss the boat. It means to miss an opportunity. What do you think of this one? No pain, no gain. It means that you have to suffer or work hard in order to achieve or gain something. Think fast. Can you guess this one? The answer is on the ball. It means alert and effective. What's your answer to this one? The answer is pull someone's leg. It means to joke or tease someone. Ready for the next challenge? The answer is pull yourself together. It means to regain control of oneself or one's emotions. Any guesses? The answer is so far, so good. It means things are going well up to this point. Take a guess. Do you know the answer? The answer is speak of the devil. It is said when the person you were just talking about arrives or is mentioned. What do you think of this one? The answer is that's the last straw. It means the final problem in a series of problems. Here comes another one. Best of both worlds. It means a situation wherein one enjoys all the benefits of two contrasting things. Ready for the next challenge? The answer is under the weather. It means feeling ill or unwell. Awesome! Let us know in the comments how many you got right. And as always, thanks for watching!